Measuring a patient's foot for shoes. Request that the patient stand with feet hip width apart. Position one foot on the men's or women's Brannock device. Make sure the patient's heel is seated to the back of the Brannock device. The patient's feet should be side by side while measuring. They should look forward, not down. Look directly over the patient's foot to get the most accurate view on the device. Heel to toe measurement. Take the measurement of the longest toe on the center of the device. If the patient's toe is between the size, say between 10.5 and 11, then default to the longer of the two for that side. In this case, an 11. Heel to ball measurement or arch length measurement. Position the heel to ball device so that it's snug against the first metatarsal head. Record the measurement. The heel to ball measurement is a significant measurement that's often misunderstood or overlooked. Shoes are designed to flex at the ball of the foot. The widest part of the forefoot should always fit the widest aspect of the shoe. Having an accurate heel to ball measurement will help ensure a good fit is achieved. Width measurement. Slide the width bar firmly to the edge of the foot. Locate the heel to toe length on the slope scale and read the width immediately below. If the width measurement falls between two sizes, for example C to D, then record that measurement as such. Semi-circumference measurement. Use a tape measure and record the measurement in inches. Be sure to start at the 0 line, not at the end of the tape measure. Measure from the floor next to the first metatarsal head over the top of the foot and down to the floor next to the 5th metatarsal head. Round up to the nearest 1/4 inch.